Tutorial on how to download WhatsApp statuses without needing any special software. To do this, you navigate into, well, your My Files or File Manager on your device. Okay, in this section, you search for WhatsApp. All right, you find the WhatsApp folder. Then you follow this same folder again, okay? And once you're in, go to Accounts, then follow these folders into the Media section and click on Statuses here. See, all the statuses are in this section, and you can find both the videos and the images that you've actually viewed from your status updates. They're added here, and you can download them. One more thing I want to mention. If you happen to notice that my folders look faded or appear lighter than usual, it's actually because they are hidden. To make them visible, you need to go to the menu, find and select the option called Show Hidden Files, and then enable it. This will make all the folders, including the hidden ones, visible so you can access your statuses without any trouble.